Hi, I'm Dr. Vivek from Anagen Hair Transplant.
Hi, I'm Dr. Divya from Anagen Hair Transplant. Hello, Doc.
Yeah.
Our audience would like to know what is the success rate of hair transplant surgeries?
Okay, friends. With modern scientific development, great advancements, success rate of hair transplant varies now very easily from 90 to 98 percentage. With a caveat, great hair, great success rate. This donor hair. Great scalp with good minoxidil, finasteride, vitamins, antioxidants, great success rate. DHT, the genetic effect, never know. If there are 10 patients, somebody has great genetic effect, somebody has less genetic effect to kill your hairs. So success rate will depend on donor hair, recipient, and genetic component. And of course, no tobacco, no cigarettes, no thyroid, no PCOS, no medical conditions. So there could be variations, but even otherwise, 90 to 98% patients will be very happy with hair transplant. Some patients will have less results because of those factors which I told you, the quality of the hair and the recipient.